So I just summoned 5 brand new heroes on the Heroes and Empires game. So in today's video, I will show you a full step-by-step guide on how to summon heroes on Heroes and Empires. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that KuCoin link if you want to invest in some low cap gems and make a boatload of money. And now let's jump straight into the video. So I have been playing Heroes and Empires for about a week now, and I absolutely love this game, and I think it has a ton of potential. I am currently playing it and earning money, and I'm also holding their HE tokens in order to capitalize on the growth as well. So hopefully this game takes off in the next couple months, and December I believe is going to be a huge month for HE. They are officially launching their mobile version. Right now I'm playing on the laptop, but once the mobile version comes out, I will be switching over and I will continue playing and earning more money. I will also be making another video sharing my strategies on how I make money playing Heroes and Empires. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video. And now let's jump straight into the game and summon some heroes. Let's go. Alright, so now we're inside the game, and the first thing we're going to do is open up this chest to see what we have received. Alright, nothing major. We're going to collect it. And now guys, I'll be showing you the heroes that I currently have. Right now I have 10 of them. One of them is level 60. The other ones are level 40, and they go down all the way to level 20, I think. But as you can see, I have many different kinds, but all of them are rare, which is pretty sweet in my opinion. And I'm hoping sometime down the road to get an epic or legendary one that I will level up even more. But now let's summon some monsters. Check it out. Alright, so the first one that we have summoned is, let's open it up, is the wolf. I have seen this one on the marketplace plenty of time, so this one is nothing special. It looks pretty dope though in my opinion. So the first thing that you have to do is click on store in the bottom corner, and then you will have to have 50 HE tokens and a summoning scroll. Once you press it, you're going to receive a hero. Right now we have received the Knight Minion, which in my opinion is another common one that I'm not very excited about. He looks pretty sweet though, check him out. But he's definitely another common hero that's not worth a lot of money. So I will not be leveling him up. I will just probably end up selling him on the marketplace. And now let's do another one. We're going to click on store. Then we're going to summon one more hero. Let's do it. Hopefully we get a good one this time. Let's see, let's see. Oh, it's a rare one. This is a rare one. Sweet. Let's check him out. All right, finally we got a good one. Let's check him out. Alright, yeah, he looks pretty sweet. Also, he's the rare type, which is pretty good. They go for a nice little penny. But I'll be leveling him up and hopefully selling him for a lot more money once this game starts taking off. So this one I will end up leveling up and probably keeping for a while. Alright, let's do one more, guys. Let's do one more. Summon one more hero. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Oh, common one again. The Chicken Bomber. I have seen this one plenty of times in the marketplace and in the game. It is definitely not worth much, so I'll probably end up selling the Chicken Bomber as well. He's also common. And now I will give you the full breakdown of everything that you need to start summoning heroes in this game. So when you first open up the game, you're going to see 2 HE tokens. The first one is the actual token that you have purchased in your MetaMask wallet, in your Trust wallet. These are actual HE tokens. The second one you can use in-game only. But if you summon heroes and you use these HE tokens, you'll be able to sell those heroes on the marketplace, and then you'll be able to receive the real HE tokens. So that is how you'll be able to make money in this game. Also, when you click on store, you're going to have 2 options. You can summon undead or all races. And if you click on this little percentage right here, you'll be able to see the breakdown of the tiers of heroes that you'll be able to get. So 49% of all the heroes summoned will be common tier heroes. 50% will be rare, and 1% will be epic. So to summon a hero, you will need 50 HE tokens. the ones that you earn playing the game. You cannot use the HE tokens from your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask. That is one way you can summon heroes in the game. But you can also summon heroes by winning these puzzle pieces. Once you start playing the game and you start leveling up, you are going to be rewarded in these puzzle pieces. As you can see right here, they have the epic shards and they have the rare shards. If you receive 60 of them, you'll be able to combine them together and receive one rare hero. And I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is click on the bag on the top, and then you're going to press on the shards. As you can see, you need 60 rare shards to summon a rare hero. Currently I have 77, so what I will do is pretty much combine them into one. Then it will tell you that it will cost 2 HE tokens. We're going to press yes, and boom, we got another hero. Let's check him out. Alright, looks like a dragon of some type, but I think this is a rare one, which is pretty sweet. All the rare ones I'm keeping and pretty much leveling them up. The common ones I'll probably end up selling in the marketplace. Check him out. He looks pretty sweet in my opinion. Now we only have 17 shards left, but I want to get 60 of the epic ones so I can get an epic hero. So that is how easy it is to summon heroes in this game. Don't get me wrong, it does take a little bit of time to accumulate 50 HE tokens, but the more you play and the higher levels you complete, the more HE tokens you'll be earning daily. And now in the comment section below, let me know what heroes you have summoned. And did you get any epic ones? And as always guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, enjoy the game, and see you in the next video. Peace out.